One of it is a restructure. You heard it asked in Parliament. And the restructure is really a reshuffle, a reallocation of troops within our units, within the RFF units. Okay, for you to understand this, you could classify, you know, our units, all our units. So what we did was we moved people around to ensure that the engineers, the main effect of the reshuffle is we get engineers and the Navy to increase their numbers. No one is going home. No one is going home. One. So, and two, the second part of the restructure is to allow us to support our peacekeeping troops back. Agora que eu me vou na taga chico não lhe queria o meu mo lista mo.
Oi, quando tu
peacekeeping. So as a result, we've now created what we call the directorate. It's a new directorate for peacekeeping operations. For peacekeeping operations, and we're building it up slowly so that they can, you know, be capable, if you like, those two so that they can support our troops much better. That go out into peacekeeping missions. And underpinning that is the fact that our peacekeeping environment now is totally different from when we started in 1978, 1982. It's much more volatile. We can talk about that now. You know, the recent incident in Syria, 45 years. Sinai, which used to be one of the calmest, safest peacekeeping zone. Now we have bullets flying into the AO. Recently, mortars landed.